and welcome back to Drawing with Mrs. Mills. I hope you're having a fantastic fun Friday. And since we did so much serious work this week, I wanted to do something fun, but also relevant to what we've been learning. So I went online and pulled up some character model sheets from different cartoons to show you that animators often use heads as measuring tools when they create characters. This not only helps them create the character, but it helps them draw the character consistently when they want to make a character. So here we've got a character from Sleeping Beauty. You can see he is 3 heads tall, much smaller than a regular person or a normal, 7.5, 8 inch tall, 8 head tall person, not inch tall. And it makes him kind of cute having a nice big head. So let's look at some other characters here. Here are some other character designs. You can see this little birdie here. He's like 1, 2, and almost a half heads. And again, that makes him look really cute because he's got this nice noggin. Here's a little weasel character. And you see they've worked out that his head, there's one head. He's 1, 2, 3, 4.5 heads tall. And the animator has even marked on there how many heads tall he is. That's so they can draw them consistently. And even a character that is not traditionally shaped, the animators work out the proportions. So here are some proportions of SpongeBob. You can see he has actually broken SpongeBob into units because his head is so big. So his head is 3 units tall, his eyes are 1 unit, and then his body, neck to pant cuff, is 1 unit. So he actually, over here, he shows SpongeBob eyes. You can use the eyes to measure. From the top of his head to the bottom, I think he's 5 eyes tall and then shoes added on. So it's a really different kind of character. You might have to come up with a different unit because like SpongeBob's almost entirely head. But having a unit like that and being consistent is going to help you draw consistently. So if you want to try designing a character, even if you're not working in a totally realistic manner like we did earlier in the week, what you can do is you can grab a ruler and you can set up lines. So I'm going to do a character that's 4 heads tall today, I think. I'm working on creating a young character for a story, and I think 4 heads tall is going to work. So you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I can start to design my character. And as I sketch him in, I'm seeing that, wow, 4 heads. I think he's going to need another half. Just looking, I would like another half. So I'm going about 4.5 to start my character. And I'm just doing a really rough sketch. The character's wearing kind of a little tunic, and he's got boots. See, I'm working really loosely, kind of changing as I go. Now the nice thing, once you've set this grid up, you can do a turnaround and draw this character in profile or in 3/4 turn, however you want. But I want to finish up my idea for my character here, so I'm going to take a second and sketch him out. He's got and now you can see how just setting up this line is a really good way for me to start my character and begin my character design process. And yes, you can use realistic proportions if you like, or you can use proportions like we saw from these different animators that have a different effect. Some characters will look better with a big head. It's all up to you. I don't know what's happening with my guy here, but just gonna finish him off. So try setting up some lines like this and try designing your own character. See if you like it 4 heads, 4.5, 5, whatever works for your character design. And if you can't come up with your own design, maybe print out some characters you like and see how many heads or what unit you could use to set up a character to draw them. So that is it for today and for this week. I hope that you enjoyed all the things we learned. We did a lot this week, and next week we're going to talk more about arms. We'll get into arms and hands and all that fun stuff. So I hope that you're having a fantastic day, and thank you so much for drawing with Mrs. Mills. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.